So in this video, I will show you how you can buy Adobe Sign. So let's get straight into it. Now, first you need to get to this website adobe.com. Then you will need to sign in, or you can also directly buy. So what you're going to do is just head over here where you see this blue button, buy now. Click on it and you will be redirected right into this web page here. Then select individuals, and now you can compare these packages. So standard, pro, studio. So here you can compare what you get for the price. When you are ready with that, you have in this Acrobat Pro, you have 7 days free trial. So you can go and click on here. Wait a moment. So now right here you will select monthly, annual, annual, prepaid. So if you select monthly or annual billed monthly, then you agree with that. So uh, you will get 7-day free trial. Click continue. Again, wait a little bit. Now you need to put in your email. And after that, you will need to put in your card details. And when you do that, as you can see here, you will get Acrobat Pro and AI Assistant for Acrobat. And yeah, when you put in all the data, then just click here, agree and subscribe, and you have just bought yourself Adobe Sign also. And this will then work something like that. Here you will have unlocked every options here in Adobe. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next